Hey guys, it's Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a closure wig make and install featuring Mscocohair. Oops, okay, so I'm going to be really clumsy. Oh god, I'm so clumsy when it comes to making wigs, but they still come out really good, so I really don't know how that happens. I do have a 4x4 closure and so don't mind the scar on my back. That was from when I had shingles. Yes, my old ass had shingles at one point. Anyway, so I did bleach the knots on this closure already. It took okay, but it took, and that was the important part about the whole situation. I'm just lining the closure up a little bit past, maybe like a half an inch past the cap that I'm sewing it on. Talking about the hairline, guys. So I'm aiming, what am I saying? Okay, I am lining the closure half an inch past the stocking cap. Excuse my ashy hands, okay? I'm always ashy, sorry. And I'm gonna pin it up out the way so we can start sewing. I tried to record this video this morning and I just sound so tired and confused. I didn't know what the hell I was talking about, so this is a retake, okay? So yeah, this is the water wave. I got one 18-inch, what is it? One 18-inch bundle, two 16-inch bundles, and a 14-inch closure. I think those are good lengths. I never tried those lengths before, but I'm really impressed about how my wig turned out. It came out really good. The layers were perfect and everything, so I was really impressed. So I'm taking the needle. And I'm going to start in the middle and sew each side down separately. I'm not going to go all the way around. And I'm going to start in the very middle, and I'm struggling, guys. I'm so struggling with this. Okay. So I am going to zoom in, so don't you worry. All right, so I'm going to go underneath. Okay, and time to get serious and start. So I do sew underneath. So I'm going to pull the string. Of course, I'm going to attach it to the cap. I'm going to go underneath, pull it through, make sure all the thread is straight because I'm really freaking anal about that. I'm so weird. And I'm going to keep doing that. To secure the first knot, I'm going to wrap the thread around the needle 3 times and then pull. Okay. I'm so anal about the string being straight. I mean, I guess it does help with the less tangles, but I make sure it's straight every time. Okay. Look at that. Straighten it out. Straighten the string out. Straighten the string out. Make sure it's even. Then for the rest of the way down the side of the closure, I'm going to pull the string. I keep saying string. I'm going to sew same way underneath and through the closure. And then from this point on, I'm going to only wrap the string around the needle 1 time. And pull and repeat. So now I'm going to fast forward this so this video doesn't be super long and nobody watches it.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up, back it up, back it up, back like you owe your tax. Back like you owe your tax. Back it up, 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 back it up.
Okay, so when we get to the very end, we're gonna do a triple knot again, and then we're just gonna cut it. Make sure it's tight. It's not gonna go anywhere. And then we're going to start next, because I really edited that part out. We're going to go ahead to start sewing on the first track. So I'm going to pin it, the first track down as far down as I possibly can. These needles freaking suck. These T-pins are horrible. I'm just too lazy to go buy anymore. Anyway, so it's very important when you first sew on the first track, you want to go through the track and through the closure. So you want to push the needle through the track and attach it through the closure. I go, of course, under. And when you're sewing on top of the elastic band portion, please do not sew the elastic bands, okay? You just want to get through the fabric, okay? I actually sewed through the track twice, and the second time I wrapped the thread around the needle 3 times, and then after that I go under, only wrapping the needle around the thread once, and I'll slow it down so y'all can see, because y'all know I got you, okay? I got you. But yeah, back to the elastic band. Please, child, do not put that needle through the elastic band, because you will have no more elasticity in your cap, and then it'll be big and bulky and be swimming on your head. The only thing that will be attached to your head will be the lace when you attach that lace, okay? Back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Now let's take it.
Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up. Just to back it, back it up, Okay, it's ending the near the track, and it's time to flip that track over. But before we do that, we have to attach it to, you guessed it, the other side of the closure. So you're gonna go under. I go under the track, and then go through the track and wrap it around one time. Flip it over, pin it down. Then I go through the track and through the closure, okay? And wrap it around one time, okay? And then I continue to, go under the track afterwards and wrap it around once and continue the, sewing down process. So just to repeat, when you attach the track to the other side before you flip it over, you're going to go under the track, through the closure, wrap it around, pull. Flip that joker over. Then go through the track, through the closure, wrap it around once and pull. Okay? And then just continue to go under the track and wrap the thread around one time and pull. Just so simple. It looks hard, but it's actually so simple. And you want to repeat that until, you get to the end of the track. Okay, girl? I mean, not the track, the what am I saying? The bundle, okay. Until you get rid of that one bundle. And, I'm spacing them out maybe like 1 or 2 finger spaces between. And then I get to the second bundle. And, yeah, you'll see. Okay, I had no idea what the heck I was showing y'all in this clip, but now I see. So when you get to the end of the first bundle, you want to kind of like blend it in so that it's seamless. So you just kind of want to pin it to
the top of the last track and sew it down like that. So you don't want to, you get what I'm saying? If y'all don't, I'm sorry. You know, I'm horrible at explaining shit. Okay, girls, so oops, I lied. I did not show y'all me sewing on the second track, but it's literally the same thing as the first track, except I just moved the space between the tracks closer. So instead of having 2 finger spaces, I have 1. So now we're working on the closing up the wig, okay? So as you know, sewing on the bundles, the first and second bundles, it looks more like a smile, the shape that it makes, but now it turned into a U because we're getting closer and closer and closer. So me personally, I cut my tracks, okay? You don't have to cut your tracks. I like to cut my tracks as I get to the top because yeah, it won't look as bulky. So I cut small tracks to close the, you know, close that U up. And so I just cut it and place them straight. And so I just sew straight across, cut another track, sew straight across, until it gets all the way to the closure portion.
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Back it up, 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 back it up.
And as y'all can see, I have the mannequin in a headlock because I'm trying to show y'all, but I clearly can't really see. But this is me sewing on the last track, and I'm literally sewing under the track and attaching it to the closure. So I'm going under. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay. Anyway, I'm going under, and I think I'm gonna show y'all. Oh yeah, because I was recording this joint and it cut off on me. But you see what I'm saying? Showing you there? You just attach it to the closure. Okay. But yeah, it cut off on me. I was so mad. But anyway, this is the unit. Okay, so now that we're done, we're going to have to cut the cap from around where the closure is. So I'm going to struggle and try to show you, but you kind of get what I'm saying. But don't cut too close to the string because it'll unravel and then your whole wig will unravel. So cut maybe like a ½ inch from where you sewed it. On the closure, okay, and just cut around. It's harder for me. This is my first time sewing a, well, you know what, I'm lying. I sewed a closure like a while ago, but I don't think I sewed it. I think I glued it. It's my first time gluing a closure. I've never sewn a closure. This is my first time, and I'm really excited because for me now, I think closures are actually going to be my thing. Closure human hair wigs. Anyway, so you see I just cut the fabric from around oh, I can't speak, from around where the lace is. And I didn't show y'all this process either, but I did add an elastic band from the closure. That way it can stay on my head, and really I don't gotta glue this biatch down. Okay, I don't have to glue it down. So happy. This is the easiest freaking wig, guys.
Back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what you price, just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you price.
Okay, girls, so this is the last step, and this is me applying it. Oh my god, I do not believe I have toothpaste on the corner of my mouth. I'm so ratchet. Like, it's not even funny. Anyway, so I showed you that I did sew on an extra track on the back of the wig because I just didn't want that to show, like the stocking cap to show. And there's the elastic band I was talking about earlier. Oh my god, I'm so ratchet. Anyway, so I am actually going to be tinting the lace with my foundation. So I'm just showing you I'm using foundation. I'm gonna pump it on the brush, and then I'm gonna just apply it on the lace. And I'm not gonna talk to this portion. I'm gonna apply it on the lace, and then after I'm done applying it on the lace, I'm going to spray it with got to be freeze blast spray just to seal it in. Let it dry for like 30 minutes. Do my makeup and come back. Okay.
Back it up, you can hold my eyes. Say what you write. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Say what you write. Just to back it up.
Okay, so this is me applying the wig, and I'm trying to hurry up and get ready for work. So I already laid a little bit of Got2b glue gel, the black one, underneath the frontal or the closure. I keep calling this thing a frontal. Underneath the closure, and yeah, I'm just laying my baby hairs now. So I'm gonna talk about this wig while you watch me do all this. So, girl, this is the easiest wig I've made ever. Like it's so easy to wear. It's so easy to apply. It looks so natural. I love this curl pattern. Oh my gosh. Mscocohair did their selves up with this. Hey, where'd I go? Okay. Yeah, I got some water, girl. Gotta spray this and just tame the curls a little bit before work. But Mscocohair, they outdid themselves with this wig, with this hair. It's so nice. I wore this whole week. Barely any tangling, barely nothing. Like the hair barely shed. I'm just really impressed. This is some really good hair, and I don't even know the price. Let me see. So ladies, this hair is super affordable, only $125, plus you get a 5% discount with the code Diabla Verde. You know. So yeah, I really love this hair. It was really easy to use. I just used some water and some curl reviving spray and some mousse, and it came out really good. I was really happy and surprised, and I wore this hair all week, and it's so nice. I even got compliments. So ladies, if you like this video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, the link for this hair will be down in the description box, along with the coupon code, along with the website, and a bunch of other links that the company gave me. So please check them out. Very affordable, very nice hair. Mscocohair, thank you for this opportunity. Love you guys. See you next video.